How are all my friends doing? I'm doing great because I get to try the Kale and Portabella mushroom sous vide egg bites from Starbucks. I'll state for the record that my cat is keeping over there that I hate kale. I've hated kale since I was a little kid and nothing has changed. Trying something that contains a food I hate probably doesn't seem like a good idea, but I'm glad I did because these were surprisingly good. The outside has a slightly hardened seared texture that I really like, but the inside is super soft and fluffy. This contrast is one reason I really like their egg bites so much and I get them so often. The mushroom actually had a strong flavor, which surprised me because mushrooms usually have a pretty light flavor. And the pieces were a perfect size so you get that meaty texture that mushrooms have, but the pieces weren't so large that they took away from the other aspects of the egg bite. Despite this egg bite being shamrock green, I actually couldn't taste the kale. If you compare my egg bite to the one on the Starbucks menu, you'll see it shouldn't be that bright green color. I think the kale was chopped too finely in my egg bite. There was no texture from the kale, and the flavors from the egg, mushroom, and Monterey Jack cheese overpowered any kale flavor that might have been present. These were pretty good, but I don't know if I'll get them again. I'm afraid they'll have more kale flavor next time, and I'll end up not liking them, so we'll see. If there's something you want me to review so you don't have to, leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do. If you like this review, maybe consider subscribing, that way you can see more videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.